YouTube. Long time no anything, to be honest. It's been forever. I'm backed up on boxes. Work has been heinous and I just have not had time to do anything. So anyway, I'm back on the wagon. There'll be a few boxes that I'm just basically posting these to catch up because I'm sure you've all seen whatever is inside them. So this is just basically for me. Watch if you like, don't watch if you don't. It's still a good hint as to whether or not you want to get a Sophie and Toffee box, especially if you're not already a subscriber. But anyway, here's the beautiful packet. I love to see the rainbow, and here's very nice. Here is this month's box, which appears to be themed around Little Twin Stars, which, oh, that's so cute. How adorable. Okay, let's go. So this is, you can tell that I haven't peeked. So this is the Little Twin Stars. These have just basically been sitting up on my sideboard with me feeling guilty. Little Twin Stars, I don't even know. It's July's box. That's how long ago it is. There's a tutorial thing. It's the cutest little bit. Oh, it's a note card. Oh, I'm going to use that. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a sticker. Yes, it looks like stickers. So sweet. And of course then they put on what's on the Premier's box and they tell us what's on this one, which I'm not going to use until we look in it. So, and on the top here we see more stickers, and I don't know, I didn't show you the inside of the box, but look how cute that is. I can't even get it across. How adorable is that? Oh, I'm definitely going to end up keeping this box and using it for storage or something. Alright, so this month's box, S&T AB epoxy resin. Apparently I can't speak either. So this is the AB hard resin. I don't use a lot of this. They keep giving it to me. I ought to use it really. So there's that. I tend to use the UV resin all the time because it's so fast, and I like, I like the speed of it. I don't have a lot of time to craft really. So they do always provide UV resin. So here's this one. It's themed as well. It's the hard type. It's 25 grams and it has a cute little Sophie and Toffee Twin Stars sticker, which is adorable. Pink solid pigment dye. Ooh, ping. Off go the balls everywhere. My dog loves these. I have to always really watch it. So this is the pink dye. Let me shake it. Sorry if the camera shakes. Help if I was actually in frame, wouldn't it? Oh, that's a nice pink. Again, themed. Hope you can see this. Is it focusing? Is it focusing? Can you tell I'm out of practice? Focus. Silly thing. Anyway, it's themed and it's a very nice shade of pink. I don't think I have that shade yet. Blue solid pigment dye. Well, of course, because it's pink and blue. I'll shake this one as well. That's a nice colour. That's not all the way shook up, so I'm sure it's more sort of a milky pastel. Yeah, there you go. Ooh. Again, oh, this one says it's sky blue. Wait, what did the other one say? Oh, just pink. Little Twin Stars, pink and blue. So sweet. And you know you use very little of the pigment. I mean, it lasts for ages. Little Twin Stars silicone mould, which I presume is this. Rattly packet. Alert. Ah, man, everything sticks to these. Hope you can see that. Look how cute that is. It's got little lines in it, indents. I wonder if, yeah, they are indents. So I presume that when you cure this, it cures with this indented pattern here. I suppose you could outline it. I don't know, you could just outline it and have it as a clear charm or something. That is cute. Little Twin Stars open bezels. Now these I love. Again, it's themed. Look how cute that is. Did I say cute enough times yet? But it is cute. It's just about as kawaii as you can get. Alrighty, here they are. I guess I'll do them one at a time because they're quite big. That one's got a little star and your twins. That will be cute. Here we are with the cute again. There's another one. That one will be adorable. There you go. Different word. This is the two of them on a cloud. As, I suppose, like little angels. I don't know much about these characters, but I know they're very popular. It's not my thing, really. So adorable, though. So those are those. And then there was something else in this bag. Bezels, PVC stickers. I think we saw the stickers. These were the... I'm presumptive that these were the PVC stickers. I wonder if they're clear or... I don't know. But you could stick them on some stuff. And then they gave me a couple of... I don't know if these are listed. Oh, not listed, but this is that green... sort of a... It's for putting on the back of the bezel. The sticky tape for the back of the bezels. I've been wanting to try it, actually. Because I use a washi or the blue masking tape, and it works okay, but you know, you're always looking for something that might do better. And then the last thing in this box is this star glitter mix. That's just stinking adorable. It's in a little box. Rattly packet alert. Okay, hold on. I don't know about you, but when I store these things, sometimes I take them out of the box. Oh, they look to be gooey. Are you gooey? Oh, it looks gooey. Oh, it's like a paste. I'm not sticking my finger in that. But it looks like some kind of a gooey paste. No idea. Something new to try. But anyways, it's 6 very nice, very glittery colours with little stars and hearts and what have yous in them. Of some kind of, maybe a UV paste in a very nice box, which will end up containing something else. And then last but not least, all of the lovely little balls that you know we all love. And on the back, even the back of the boxes, I just pop these in the bin, in the craft bin. Even the back of the box is pretty. And if you were really diligent, you could probably cut all these little characters and what have yous out. So that's it. That's the Little Twin Stars box. There's your glitter and your little mold for this month, and all your lovely little bezel bits. Oops, saying oops a lot today. Can you tell I'm out of practice with this camera? It's ridiculous. And your colours and these lovely stickers. Those are so cute. It was a lovely box. It's a very nice box this month. In the premium box, you also got some silver bezels and a stars and moon silicone mold and stars and hearts silicone mold. So if you're a premium type person, that box is also a good buy. But this was July's box, and I promise I'll catch up. If you enjoyed it, you know, leave a comment below. Let me know what you made with yours, and feel free to tell me off for being, you know, heinously late with this. Anyway, thank you. Love you all. Bye.